In a world filled with breathtaking beauty, there is a profound truth that resonates with those who truly appreciate the wonders around them. The landscape belongs to the person who looks at it. This simple yet profound statement encapsulates the essence of finding inspiration and solace in the natural world. Imagine standing on the edge of a majestic mountain range, feeling the cool breeze against your face, and witnessing the awe-inspiring colors of the setting sun painting the sky. In that moment, you become the sole proprietor of that breathtaking landscape. It exists solely for you, to ignite your imagination, to stir your soul, and to remind you of the boundless possibilities that lie ahead. The power of this statement lies in its ability to remind us that the beauty of our surroundings is not limited to the physical realm. It extends far beyond what meets the eye. It is an invitation to explore and discover the hidden depths within ourselves, to embark on a journey of self-discovery and personal growth. When we truly look at a landscape, we see more than just the external features. We see reflections of our own dreams, aspirations, and desires. We witness the resilience of nature and realize that we too possess the strength to overcome any obstacle that comes our way. We find solace in the serenity of a tranquil lake, knowing that even amidst chaos, we can find moments of peace and tranquility within ourselves. The landscape belongs to the person who looks at it is a reminder that we have the power to shape our own perspectives. We can choose to see the world through a lens of wonder and appreciation, or we can allow ourselves to be blinded by negativity and indifference. It is in our hands to decide how we perceive the world around us.